Children, now I am going to explain topic 7 percentages, PPT 16. First question. Renuka has read 30 pages of a book of 150 pages. What percent of pages has she read? Renuka has read 30 pages of a book of 150 pages. 30 pages of a book of 150 pages. 150. We have to convert this into percentage. To convert into percentage, we have to multiply with 100 and keep the percentage sign, then simplify. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3 5s are 5 ones are 5 20s are. So 20 percentage, 20%. Option 1. Question number 2. What is the percentage of rupees 72.9 in rupees 270? 72.90 by 270. We have to convert into percentage. To convert into percentage, multiply with 100 and keep the percentage sign. To multiply by 100, shift to the decimal to the right by 2 places. So that is 1290 by 270. 0 0 gets cancelled. 9 8s are 72. 9 1s are 9 3s are 27. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. 2 remainder. 3 7s are 21. So 27 percentage. Option 27.0. 27 can be written as 27.0% also. So this is first option. Question number 3. The value of 15% of 4 rupees is equal to 15%. 15% means 15 by 100. Of 4 rupees. 4 rupees. 4 ones are 4 25s are 5 3s are 5 5s are. To divide this 3, we keep 0. 5 ones are 5 zeros are 3 remainder 5 6s are. So 0.2 6 0.6 0.6 means is equal to 0.60 rupees. So this is the answer, option 3. Question number 4. The percentage value of 0.375 is 0.375. 0.375 To convert a decimal to percentage, simply shift the decimal to the right by 2 places. So that is equal to 37.5 percentage. 37.25 percentage, option 2. Question number 5. The cost of an article increases from 50 rupees to 62 rupees 50 paisa. Then the increase percentage is equal to increase percentage is equal to increase in value by original value into 100 percentage. So increase in value, how much increasing from 50 to 62 rupees 50 paise? So 12 rupees. So how can we get 62 rupees 50 paise minus 50? So we get 12 rupees 50 paise. So 12 rupees 50 paise by original value 50 rupees into 100 percentage. So 51 the 52s, 12 50 is 25 rupees, 25 25 percentage, this 25 percentage, option 3. Question number 6. The fraction 7 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10 in percentage into 100 by 10 7 by 10 is equal in percentage 100 percentage, 0 gets cancelled, 70 percentage, option 4. The value of 20% in a rupee is 20% in a rupee. 20% in a rupee is 20 paisa. 20% in rupee is 20 paisa. Without calculating also we can identify. So how, like 20 by 100 into 100 paisa. 1 rupee means 100 paisa. So 100 cancel, 20 paisa. Option 4. Question number 8. The value of 1.02 is equal to 1.02 is equal to in percentage. To convert to the decimal to the right by 2 places, 102 percentage. 102 percentage, option 4. Ninth question. 15% of 26 is 50% of 26 is 15 by 100 into 26. 5 3s, 5 20s, 2 1s, 2 3s, 2 1s, 2 zeros are 13 3s are 39 by 10. To divide by 10, shift the decimal to the left by 1 place. So 3.9, option 3.9, option 1. Question number 10. The monthly salary of an employee is increased from 2084 rupees to 2605. The percentage increase in the salary of the employees. The percentage increase in the salary of the employees. Increase percentage of salary. Increase percentage of salary is equal to increase in salary by original salary into 100%. Increase in salary by original salary into 100%. Increase in salary. How much increase? 2605, 2084, 1 10 minus 8 to 521. So 521 increase in salary by original salary 2084 into 100%. 425 is 4 5 is 4 2 is 4 1 is 521 1 is 521 1 is. So 25%. 25%. So option 2. This is equal to 2500%. Question number 11. The sum of 12 and 12 into 12%. 12 in 12 and sum means you have to add 12 into 12%. 12 into 12% means by 100, that is equal to 12. 12 12s are 144 by 100. To divide by 100, shift to the decimal to the left by 2 places. So 12 plus 1.44, 13.44 is the answer. 13.44, option 3. Question number 12. A person saves 25% of his income. If he saves 3000 per month, then what was his monthly income? 25% of his 25% of savings is 3000 rupees. So 100% of his income, how much? So 100% of income is equal to, we use in unitary method, divide into. So this into 3000 by 25 into 100%. 25 ones are 25 fours are 3 fours are 12. You have to keep these 3 zeros. So 12,000 is a total income. 12,000, option 2. Question number 30. The percentage equal to 0.075 is, this is a decimal number, 0.075. We have to convert into percentage. To convert into percentage, simply shift to the decimal to the right by 2 places and keep the percentage sign. 7.5. Option 2. Question number 14. The percentage of 10 meters 10 meters in 10 kilometers is 10 meters in 10 kilometers. For a kilometer, 1000 meters. 10 kilometers, 10,000 meters. 10,000 meters. We have to convert this into percentage. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 0, 1 0. So 1 by 10. 1 by 10% means 0.1 percentage. 0.1 percentage, 0.1% means option 1. Fifteenth question. 18% can be written in fraction form. 18%. So 18 by 100. 18% is equal to, we can write 18 by 100. 0 0 gets cancelled. So while simplifying, we have to observe and continue. 8 by 10. Here we have 8 by 10. This is not in simplest form, but this we have in that option. That's why this is the correct answer. So first option is correct. 16. 8% of 240 is how much more than 35% of 400? 8% of 240. So 80 by 100 into 240 is equal to 0 0 gets cancelled. 0 0 gets cancelled. 8 4s 32. 8 to the 16, 90. 192. 192 rupees. Next to 35% of 400. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12. 14. So how much more than 192? To find that, we subtract 2 5. 52 more than 192 is 52 more than 140. So option 1. PPT 16, question numbers 17 to 20. First 17 question. 45% of 125 divided by 25% of 190 is equal to. Children, you have to correct in your textbook. Here you have plus, but you have to write there divided by. Okay na children? So 45% 126. 45 by 100 into 126 divided by 25% of 90. 25% of 90. We know To divide a fraction by another fraction, we have to multiply the reciprocal of the second fraction. So that's why we have to write like this. This write as it is 120 into 126 into multiply the reciprocal of second fraction. The reciprocal means ulta palta, 100 by 25 into 90. 100 cancel. 5 nines are 5 fives are 9 ones are 9 tens are next to 2 6 are 2 threes are 2 fives are, that is equal to 63 by 5 fives are 25. We have this improper fraction as mixed fraction. 25 twos are 50, 13 remainder by 25. So 2 13 by 25. This is the answer. Option 2 13 by 25. Option 4 is correct. Question number 18. What fraction is equal to 25%? 25%. To convert into fraction, divide by 100. So without calculating also we can say 25% means 1 by 4. If you don't know, if you don't know like this, you may divide like this. 25 by 100. 25 on the 25 fours. 1 by 4. So option 2. Question number 19. In the following, what is equal to 4.4 percentage? 4.4 percentage. 4.4 percentage. To delete this percentage sign, we divide with 100. So we have to observe options. 4.4 by 100. Option 2. 4.4 by 100. Question number 20. Write the percentage for the decimal number of 10.01. 10.01. 10.01. To convert decimal into percentage, simply shift the decimal to the right by 2 places and keep the percentage sign. So 1001 percentage. Option 3. Children, completed. 20 problems completed. Thank you for watching my video.